All right, everybody. Hey, welcome to my review. I love doing this for my friends and family, but it seems like everybody else is catching on. So if you're like me and you have tons of photos, I have like 85,000 in my phone. You know it's hard to keep them organized, and one simple mistake and boom, there goes all my kids, 8 and 11-year-old kid, all their pictures and everything, gone. Last year, my daughter, she dropped my phone in a bathtub, and I had no idea for hours. I lost everything because I didn't have my iCloud storage or whatever hooked up. So in any case, I found this. It's called the ThePhotostick Omni photo stick. And each week, this is cool, it backs up all of your stuff on your phone and it puts it on this USB item, and they're easy to transfer to my computer. So let's take a look at this. So all my precious memories that I don't want to lose because my wife will get mad at me and divorce me are neatly put on here. And it's just a USB stick. I love this thing. It's very handy. Really, let's talk about some of the highlights. It saves you hours of backup time. You don't have to sit there and drag things across and do it. It does it by itself. It'll do it in hours or minutes, whatever, depending on how much you have in there. You never have to worry about if your computer crashes or you lose files. It's all right there. It has a massive storage, storing up to 102,000 photos and videos. I mean, it's all the storage you'll ever need. So here's how it works. It's awesome. You cover this up. I mean, we all know what the USB sticks are. I mean, they're cool. They're small. You can put a little thing on it on a keychain. I actually bought 2 of these because I wanted one, my wife to have one, but I also am going to buy more because look what it comes with. Check this out. It comes with this little item here that literally plugs in to your USB, this item here. And look at this. I think you're going to love this, is that it has a iPhone connector. It has USB-C, there. It has Android there. You literally just plug it into your phone, and then when you're done, it just literally does it all by itself. You don't have to drag, drop, and do all the other garbage. It's that simple. This has a little thing too to keep your, keep tabs of that item too. But again, I bought a couple of these, and because all my files, and other than my kids and my family, like my business stuff, I keep it on here in case I lose it or it gets stolen or something like that. And then basically cap it up, and I'm ready to go and use this thing whenever I want. I mean, it's just amazing what it does and how much it saves on there. I mean, this is cool. Very cool. It's called the Omni. I love it. Omni Photo Stick. And it has a guide in the back on how to do it if you have Windows or if you have Mac. It doesn't matter what you have. It can accommodate for both. Love this. Love the stick. Check it out. $128 gigs. Wow, that's a good amount of space.